This is a shloka on Sri Madhvacharya glorifying his divine mission and the establishment of Tattvavada, Dvaita philosophy. Yo vipralamba vipareetamati prabhutan vadan nirasya krutavan bhuvi tattvavadam sarveshvaro haririti pratipadayantam आनन्दतीर्थमुनिवर्यम् अहं नमामि आनन्दतीर्थमुनिवर्यम् अहं नमामि. A simple translation: I bow down to the great sage Anandatirtha, Sri Madhvacharya, who refuted numerous false and deluded doctrines, who established on this earth the philosophy of Tattvavada, Dvaita, and who proclaimed that Lord Hari alone is the supreme master of all. Shri Krishnarpanamastu.